Dear friends, coming to art and culture, yes, art, architecture, literature. Broadly speaking, art, architecture, literature is art, visual arts and performing arts, architecture, religious and secular architecture from ancient to modern times, literature, religious and secular literature, Indian and foreign literature. So this is what broadly speaking the syllabus of art and culture. And here it is not necessary to cover each and everything. UPSC has a specific syllabus for art and culture in prelims and in mains too. And by decoding the previous year's questions of art and culture, you will get an idea where to focus, where not to focus. Now coming to art and culture has very interesting topics. One of them is fair and festivals. Fairs and festivals, UPSC repeatedly asks questions from this area. Yeah, here the concerns for many aspirants. What is the importance of fair and festivals in UPSC prelims examination? Whether you should cover the various projects, government schemes, initiatives on fair and festivals of India, relevance of fair and festivals in UPSC prelims questions, and how to study in order to make such questions scoring or such areas scoring, whether you should approach a state-wise list of fair and festivals. These are some common concerns among aspirants regarding fair and festivals. Let me give you the simple idea. When you approach the fair and festivals in art and culture part, focus on the states. UPSC has match the pair type of questions, a particular festival or fair plus that particular state. They will shuffle it. So have an idea, the very popular festivals and fairs of the states, especially Northeast. UPSC gives tremendous importance to Northeast. In fact, the government also has so many initiatives and schemes for promoting the art and culture of the northeastern regions of India, states of India. Have an idea about the very popular festivals of Northeast. Okay, so have an idea about the states, the festivals and the states. Then the classification of the festivals, harvest festivals, temple festivals, or it is New Year festivals. UPSC may shuffle it. Have an idea about the festivals celebrated by the communities. You know, there are some celebrations among these Munda tribes, Garo tribes, Bill tribes. There are different tribes in India. They have their own festivals. So have an idea, festivals, harvest, New Year festivals celebrated by various tribes of India. Then have an idea about the cultural historical significance of the festival. Sometimes UPSC asks on cultural historical significance of the festivals, and the festival, the dedication to which deity, which temple or which occasion, that is important, and various government schemes, initiatives or projects for promotion of such festivals or such cultural celebrations. These are important things you have to focus when you approach fair and festivals in UPSC prelims. Let's solve some questions here. Consider the following statements regarding various fairs and festivals in India. This is a 3 statement type questions. When there is 3 statement type questions, don't answer in a hurry-burry. Read all the statements very carefully. Luzung is a New Year festival celebrated in the states of Sikkim. So again I am telling you, have an idea about the list of the harvest festivals, temple festivals and New Year festivals of Northeast. That is very important for you. That doesn't mean that you should not cover other states festivals. You should cover all. More importance given to Northeast. So this is a Sikkimese festival. This is a New Year festival belonging to Northeast. First statement is correct. Now go for the second one. Motsumong festival is celebrated by Irula tribe of Nagaland after sowing is done. Now the problem is, this is a festival belonging to Nagaland. It is done after, it is celebrated after sowing is done. But the problem is, it is not celebrated by Irula tribe. It is celebrated by all tribes. Okay, Irula tribe, that belongs to Tamil Nadu. So you should have the fundamental basic idea about the origin of tribes or the very popular tribes of various states of India, North India, Northeast India, South India. Have an idea about the popular tribes of various states of India. So this is not celebrated by Irula tribe, it is by all tribes. Okay, so this is the way UPSC will make the statements tricky. Now 100 Drums festival, Mangala festival is celebrated by Munda tribes. It is not by Munda tribes. This festival is celebrated, this Wangla festival or 100 drums festival is celebrated by Garo tribes. Okay, so this is the way. Sometimes they will interchange the tribes or states, okay, or the type of festivals and will confuse you. So have an idea about that. So the only correct statement is one only. Your answer is A. There is a question, consider the following statements, consider the following festivals seen in the news and select a correctly matched pair. The Naukai Juhar, this is an agricultural festival. Of course, it is celebrated in Western Odisha part. It is a harvest festival. Ashadi Beach, it is not a temple festival. It is a New Year festival celebrated in the Kutch region of Gujarat. Trishur Puram is basically a temple festival. It is not a harvest New Year festival. So here the correct one is only one only is your answer. Okay. Now consider the following statements regarding Ambubaji Mela. This is regarded as the Mahakumbh of the East. Okay, Kumbh Mela, you know, the largest like a religious devotee congregation, you know, in India or in Asia. We have seen similar way in the Eastern India. There is one of the largest devotee congregation, which is Ambubaji Mela. This is known as the Mahakumbh or Kumbh Mela of the East. Okay, so this is something. This is you see three statements are there. Ambubaji Mela is celebrated in Kamakya temple of Guwahati. It's a correct statement. It is correct only. Then this festival, goddess Kamakya is said to be undergoing her annual menstrual cycle. It's a festival which you celebrate that menstrual cycle, you know, of the goddess. So menstrual cycle, which is true only. This festival is also referred to as Mahakumbh of the East. So all the three are correct regarding that particular, yes, Ambubaji Mela. So this is celebrated in the Kamakya temple of Guwahati, and it celebrates that menstrual cycle of the goddess. Then this festival is also referred as Mahakumbh of the East. All are correct only. So here your answer has to be D, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So this is the way UPSC will ask questions on festivals. So have a thorough revisions, and please do subscribe our channel for more quality oriented, content oriented videos for your preparation. Now only 70+ days left for your examination. Make your preparation super strong. Thank you.